We wanted to extract some few thoughts from you. Just one step back, sir. Sorry, please. Good afternoon, sir. We want to take something from you. Benue has been through a lot in the last 3 years. And unlike many leaders in the country, you stuck your neck out for Benue. Why did you do that?
It's not necessarily sticking out my neck for Benue. I'm sticking out my neck against injustice. I mean, you can see what is happening to Benue State. You can see how terrorists are terrorizing them, killing people, kidnapping people, destroying their farms. And the government that said that the government for justice is doing nothing and allowing innocent people who have not caused any problem to die and without doing anything. People must come out to say, look, it is not Benue, it can be another state tomorrow. Now, if you think they don't like the governor, must you allow everybody in Benue to die? You know, forget about the governor of Benue State. But as a president of a country, he took oath to protect life and property. Without that, there is no governance. And so when you see a particular people are treated in a way as if they are not part of Nigeria, and nobody is talking about it, no, it is not right. So it's not that one is sticking out neck for the people of Benue alone. It is against the injustice perpetrated against the people of Benue State.
For during the period, you came in handy with cash and material support. 3 years after, our governor has been calling for the resettlement of these persons in IDP camp, over 1.5 million of them. What would you say to this?
Again, it's not part of what I was saying. There are IDP camps in other parts of the country, other countries. The federal government have been paying attention. Why are they not paying attention to that one in Benue? I mean, you see, part of the crisis we are seeing in Nigeria, when you don't believe that some parts are part of where you come from. It's a major problem. You have IDP in Benue, you have IDP in other states, you have in Borno, you have in Yobe, you have in other. Yet federal government says this is what they're going to do, this is what they'll be doing. What is the crime committed by the people of Benue? What is the crime committed by the governor of Benue State? Like I've said, you don't like me, I agree. But what is the offense of my people? They voted for you too. Benue voted for the president in 2015. Okay, for the sake that you voted for, why not also extend protection? I guess after you have people like Akume, who are your minister. Okay, for the sake of them. It's okay, I have my minister of special duties. Former governor Bello Akume is my minister. I had Audobe from Benue State. For their own sake, why not extend that gesture to them? Say it's not for you, I won't have. But in this case, you're not even doing it, which means there's total hatred. And that is not acceptable. That is my position.
Okay, Your Excellency.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.